Munim say there are some few people ewo Ghana ha omo ede omo thought piece omo ba betro omo adwen ewo social media so eya na me pese me de ebremo. Now one of those people Professor Kweku Azar or the nsema ba betudwa earlier on made the report ebremo say the Attorney General drag the special prosecutor at Supreme Court. Now some Attorney General and it's a special prosecutor no need to me say was say or prosecuted without or no Attorney General and a consent. Now I did my analysis on that and I said say asemno asimbia it is uko simplifying na ebiana ebeya say special prosecutor no and we at fault and I say Attorney General no and at fault. But oti asem na si ya behu ne say asobiana sem de. I read comments and then we all saw that. Now we are coming to read what Professor Kweku Azar is saying on this particular issue. And now first time we have Mr. subscribing and click the notification bell so. We understand latest news be about one sa ebeka. Now me sound so kind mo say enkrofo complaining say na videos are you posting no omu enkrofo bebre frame me complaining mesra mo make sure say wa subscribe o subscribe ya adoma na ewo ho no obehu o click so a ebeba 3 options or obehu or o click all na and then the post bia me bia obehu na o san so pese wo hu me post bia like video no so wa subscribe de da wa click all ne de da na still uyo bia one time hu me videos so say melodies ya na me hu videos me share like a video no once you like the video you tell the algorithm say the me post bia no ma hu nti se wutie me sisi a me share just like the video or like a video na the me post bia no on sabeka na Professor Kweku Azar nseme na wokan or say we are told that the constitution should read as barring parliament from creating independent prosecutorial spaces, that it must be read literally and understood as outlawing independent prosecutors, that the Attorney General must be treated as an imperial figure whose hands must be present in all criminal proceedings. That proposition collapses under the weight of both history and doctrine. It is so at variance with our common law, and frankly, the common law across the Commonwealth, that with galactic respect, Gogo hereby rejects it. It basically no or my atias say Attorney General nsem wa work no on for so. Adie we Attorney General or can ohwe history, now ohwe common law, now ohwe Commonwealth law, nesa nyama ni nana. Entwa yi enya ade wo say yeso. He has made his point clear. Or say our common law has always accommodated the diffusion of prosecutorial authority. Private prosecutions were a foundational feature of the criminal process long before the modern state assumed a dominant role. Even after the emergence of public prosecution, the law did not insist on a single centralized and personally controlled prosecutorial monopoly. Rather, it evolved toward a system in which authority is exercised by multiple actors, subject to legal structure and oversight. Under Section 56 of the Criminal and Other Offences Procedure Act, the Attorney General is empowered to appoint public prosecutors generally for classes of cases or for particular matters. Acting under that provision, successive Attorney Generals have, by executive instruments, designated entire categories of public officers as prosecutors. The Appointment of Public Prosecutors Instrument 2004 EI5, for example, appoint lawyers within the Internal Revenue Service, Customs, Excise, and Preventive Service, and the Value Added Tax Service as prosecutors for offenses arising under their respective statutes. This appointment reflects a working system in which prosecutorial authority is exercised within institutional mandates, not by the Attorney General personally appearing or directing every case. Then comes the elevation of style over substance. The argument that Because prosecutorial authority typically flows through appointments made by the Attorney General by executive instruments, that method represents the constitutionally required model. It does not. The Constitution does not prescribe the mechanism of authorization. It does not require that every prosecutorial actor be individually appointed by executive instruments. What it requires is that such authority be exercised in accordance with law. That phrase necessarily permits Parliament to structure prosecutorial authority through legislation, including by establishing institutions within which that authority is exercised as a matter of statutory design rather than ad hoc appointments. The pattern extends beyond criminal prosecutions. The National Pensions Act provides a particularly revealing illustration. For criminal proceedings, Section 84 allows prosecutions to be instituted and conducted by the Attorney General or by an officer of the trust appointed by the Attorney General by executive instruments. That mirrors the familiar delegation model. But Parliament does not stop there. For civil enforcement, Section 86 goes further. It authorizes an officer of the trust to institute and conduct proceedings in their own right for the recovery of contributions and penalties. These proceedings are grounded in statutory authority vested directly in the institution, not in the Attorney General's personal control or case-by-case direction. These civil arrangements have never been understood as displacing the Attorney General's constitutional responsibility under Article 88(5), which provides that the Attorney General shall be responsible for the institution and conduct of all civil cases on behalf of the state. Within a single act, therefore, Parliament both preserves the Attorney General's role and simultaneously empowers institutional actors to enforce the law within their own statutory domain. These arrangements reflect a settled distinction between ultimate constitutional responsibility and operational authority structured by law. It is the same framework that sustains police, prosecutors, and other specialized actors across the legal system. The Attorney General's powers to appoint and to give directions are therefore permissive and facilitative. They enable the diffusion of authority. They do not confine it. They are neither exhaustive nor exclusive. To read Article 88 as freezing prosecutorial authority into a single political appointee would be to depart from both common law tradition and entrenched statutory practice. It collapses a functioning system into a one-man prosecutorial empire. Now, the American kind Professor Kweku Azar asemo opeso kan say embra wo ho. Embra no ama Attorney General to me all right. Now so sa to me na embra ne dem Attorney General no. Sa to me na bi esone eba beka police for. Esone eba beka eye omo jeje to. Esone eba beka obi biara obetumi ama wo bia wedi bone obetumi de nipa kro na kwa gina court ama nipa kro no yedi nasem na senior Attorney General no odi asem na kwa to Supreme Court no opese ye tretre nsem ni mu niema ne tie ase se ono Attorney General no na tumi ni na ekra no. But utie asem a Professor Kweku Azar wo kana wo se dabi sa Attorney General no kokote emra na se sa na trese wan tie ase ye because Parliament ahyehyɛ mbra na to ho wo se wo bi ate ase na se yenim na se ne Attorney General no de asem no kokko to Supreme Court no se yenim ne ekote ase sa what it will actually mean and they say Ghana your system ni na no your prosecutorial system the framework no it will collapse ebe collapse because ebema system ni na kwa kwahye nipa ba akonsa asa nipa ba akono ye the Attorney General wasanso ye government appointee into the Attorney General wa Canada ono no unsusu say because asem na Attorney General de akwa to Supreme Court no be so tre say me ono temra na se no and they say e was say special prosecutor no ehye na se bibia special prosecutor no be ye bia no e wo so no attorney general na ma to me answer wa ma to me ni kwan say special prosecutor to me ye bibi e na Professor Kwaku Azar kase dabi embra no interest a na yenim ne ekokoye ne saade a yeti beti wo man ni mu nti we no ma history say history kra no na enye sa neti nti say the phrase in accordance with law in article 88.4 is not ornamental. It is the constitutional gateway through which Parliament is authorized to structure the exercise of prosecutorial power. That necessarily includes the creation of specialized bodies, particularly where the demands of accountability, expertise, and independence are most acute. The Office of the Special Prosecutor Act fixed squarely within that framework. It does not displace the Attorney General. It channels prosecutorial authority through a statutory scheme tailored to corruption and corruption-related offenses. To say we special prosecutor, embra special prosecutor so yamfa mbra na mba say embra mbe to Attorney General for because apparently maybe Attorney General no feel say special prosecutor no didi aba no nidim ntia no opese embra na ye trust ye no but say o special prosecutor mbra ye pass ye na under President Akufo-Addo na yamfa mbra na mba say embe to Attorney General ejuma enye den emfiri ho na special prosecutor no specifically no ye de ne ba say ombra mbe deal with corruption and corruption related offenses into obi kokoye bibia enye corruption bia na embra no wo ho de da special prosecutor no ntumi nko ho say ye corruption dia embra ne che special prosecutor betumi akọ ho nti embra no atre special prosecutor de onye de da onhye obi ase also kokoye na ejuma basically no that is what Professor Kwaku Azar is saying. Also to insist that such an arrangement is unconstitutional is to convert a grant of authority into a prohibition and a framework for governance into a straitjacket. The truth is far simpler. The Constitution did not create an imperial Attorney General, nor did it chain us to a prosecutorial system incapable of confronting executive looting. It created a system, and that system has always allowed prosecutorial and enforcement power to be structured, shared, and specialized. The attempt to rewrite it into a one-man empire is not interpretation. It is distortion. Osha, this is what Professor Kwaku Azar Walker. He's on the side say, any can say, a year adiena, a year the Attorney General episode, any can say so. And he's part of the people who believe say it will embolden politicians to be corrupt more because aban bia baswa the obeya says a special prosecutor yes say or investigation afọ no nkro for ho Attorney General so ye government appointee the Attorney General no best stop is ade no basically no that's what Professor Kwaku Azar is saying. This is quite interesting. I would like to know your thoughts on this or comment box nimo. Ebusuafo book na that screen is no your friend the Ghanaian investor. Na sa book we ebetrel 4 ways to invest in Ghana. Now it is not just 4 ways but very practical. Book no betrel practically. Ebema contact numbers or more what's offer companies what's offer and all these companies are government approved. Now the first one ebetrel how to set up an emergency fund. A lot of people don't know. Nkrofo nim nti ya no mugya wo musika eto bank account mu na interest no ya na bank account interest na enso sa ba se sika na no o de koto baby a book ne betrel I no o set na as emergency fund na when you su sika ne kra na every year bia no na sika no enyi ama na emergency fund na hu hia because nipa de oba benya emergency one day ebia ye say hospitals and sembi oka bia say obi wo emergency fund na ma brabo ye easy ema ene na ya na ema esikafo no asemnya to wo na wo mutumi edisika solve because they have emergency fund. Book no better how to set up an insurance policy. A lot of Ghanaians don't understand insurance. And a lot of people think say insurance a scam. One of the best investments I will be to me aye Ghana ha insurance. Me I have done insurance all my life.
and it has never failed me. Now, insurance policy, no, aside the fact say insurance no e mature ye betua sika e de ama no, book we company e betrel no, omo insurance policy no e endowment fund. Na no de eboa kra ne say ejuma wo ye no, one day manyame mensi ba okokonya accident na untumi nko ejuma biom kra na, your insurance na wa ye no will take care of you. Book we betrel how to start a personal pension fund. Ghana hankrofo ko pension na no efi kro kesiem akọ ekrase because eya na sikasem. Because ko pension na unya usika na eye upe na oji ne biom. Ba book we betrel be bia odi usika behye. Na we create a personal pension fund. Into ba be ko pension na sika pudro bi da ho a etwen o. Uni obi ani asem umbedane adesua entu obi aso. Book we betrel how to invest in the Ghanaian stock exchange. In the whole world last year, the Ghanaian stock exchange was one of the best performing equity markets in the world. Ebiana ye kan stock exchange a won ti ase ba ma mentremu na wo bia anti ase. Ye mfa ne se wo ye Ghana ni me sure se wanom fan yogurt da. Se wonnom fan yogurt da kra na me sure se wanom Guinness da. O de also won pensa se wonnom Guinness da kra na me sure se MTN de wato mu data da. Ana wato credit wo MTN da. So won't talk credit to MTN da krana. Me sure say we use bank BT say Ghana Commercial Bank. Me sure say we use Cal Bank da. Me sure say we use Eco Bank. We use Access Bank. So our companies we ni nano, they are listed on the Ghana Stock Exchange. Na Ghana Stock Exchange no, yaka se company be listed da. O invest e wa Ghana Stock Exchange na o invest wo company bi mo. It simply means say o di sika share company nim. Enti company bi te say MTN omunye sika omoton ebia data ma and omoton airtime ma omunye sika. At the end of the year MTN for hwe sika wo mu anya nina no mo achemfa so no ama naso omo a wo mu di sika hwe omumu no emu. Enti obi biara wa invest in MTN bia no onim say April 10th this year omo che dividends. Inti mesrao se wo pese usua se ne obetumi aye san investment ni bi na wonim se sika wo ho MTN 4 odi usika hye MTN company nim inti company ni nye sika no mo nso che bi ato so a eye good investment. In fact ye be ka tell say if you really want to build proper wealth eye the stock exchange na wo se wo use inti wa wo hwe se ne am explaining MTN system natural wa obehu ne se eye good way how to be invest. Very simple. O ye Ghana ni na wo tie me now pe book ni bi ato a wo abrochi a obetumi nya hard copy no Amazon eno nso obekọ Amazon na wa search for the Ghanaian investor eba na we place order oto a ye be ship e di abrel anase number na da book ni so no 0558074986 fresa number no unsa e be kan book no 100 cedis per link bi e wo comment box ni mu obetumi a click sa link ni so na eno nso wonsa ka book no anase icon bi wo screen ni so o click ya fast on sabe kan book no. Mesdames,